Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is a channel that has multiple ways to get to it in case you have stumbled across a domain or a Google search or so forth, and you can find ways to get to it. So if you go to, for an example, if you go to iOSGenius.com, that will direct you to my YouTube channel. Let you know about Macs. So if you do macosgenius.com, that will also direct you to my YouTube channel. So feel free to go ahead and subscribe and enjoy my videos. Put in your comments. Definitely comments help. I do respond quite promptly within at least 2-day time frame or less. If you're putting comments on how to do this, how to do that, and so forth, the general public of computers, networking, switches, or anything else that is out there. So this is an all-around channel. Feel free to put your comments, put your likes, hit subscribe. That definitely helps. Selecting the bell even helps better, so you know once I make a video, boom, it's right there ready for you to get updated information. All right, well, thanks for visiting. Onward.
How to add your company email using Microsoft Outlook on your iPhone. This can vary on any various iOS versions. Currently, I'm using the latest version of the iOS is 11.2.6, though if you have an older version, should work just as well. There's my iPhone that I have. It's an 8 Plus. Now, it does not matter if you have an 8 Plus or not. So we're going to go ahead and go through this process. I do not have Microsoft Outlook installed. I only have, as you see, Gmail and Apple Mail. So I would like to add my company email. So you would have to go to the App Store. Once you go there, go on the bottom right hand corner and select on search. You want to type in your Outlook search that you want to look for. Now there are different types of Outlooks. There's Outlook regular, there's an Outlook 365, there's a web access, etc., OWA. The one normally, if you're using Office Pro Plus or Office Pro, that is normally the standard Outlook app. Now, since it's through your iPhone, basically it's wireless, it's not connected to the domain of your company, then technically you're using Office 365. So you can try it in either different ways. So we're going to go ahead and select Outlook. It's going to give us the option to download Microsoft Outlook. We're going to select that. And then once this is done, we're just going to open the app and then start configuring our company email. Normally, you would just enter your company email and your password and you get in. Now, if there's a hiccup or problem or something preventing you to pass through to see your emails, it could be a license issue that needs to be approved through the company of your IT department and approval, as well as provisioning your account, which is technically licensing as well, but authorizing your specific email account to use Microsoft Outlook on your iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. So then now you're in the add account area. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my email. Then go ahead and select account. Now you'll be prompted with your password. Now, if you enter your password and you receive an error message like the password is invalid, it basically means your account is not provisioned. Basically meaning on the IT department's process, they need to allow you to access your email on your phone. Now, also, it could also be many other variations. Maybe your iPhone specifically is configured in a certain way. Maybe it's not like out of the box from Apple. Maybe you have some other security settings on your device than other people have that is preventing you to access your email. And then also license approval. Have your email on your iPhone. So if this device is not company owned and it's a personal device, Technically, the IT department would not support that device. They will do what they can and then tell you, sorry, there's not much else we can do. Now again, that varies from company to company. So we're just going to go ahead and enter my password here. Now my password is entered. Now understand, this is Office 365. If this does not work, you can select the option right above to the top right corner where it says not Office 365, because you may not have a license for Office 365. It might be just Office Pro Plus 2016, 2013, or 2010. But basically it's the exact same app, you're just going through a different process. So here, my license is approved through Office 365. Now I'll go ahead and sign in, and it should take me through. If it does not, that would mean I would need a new license or an updated license or provisioning approval license from my manager or my department. So we'll go ahead and select sign in. And then as I have an approval license and provision, I'm able to see this next screen. If you cannot get past this screen, again, it's based on your license approval provisioning. So now, at this point, would you like to add another account? I would say maybe later, don't need to. And it basically goes through this process of what's going on with your iPhone, how to access your email, so forth. So find the email you need to act on right now. Right here is focus. So the more you communicate with that specific individual on your iPhone, from the time you start using your iPhone with company email, it will start using that specific email, like saying here is CISO folk. If you communicate with that individual more often, Outlook will automatically put that in the focus because that's a person you communicate quite often. Other would normally be individuals that maybe first time you communicate with them, or maybe you don't communicate as often. So Outlook makes that determination. And then here as your calendar, staying organized with all your events, just a tap away. And then finally, this is the search feature. In your iPhone, it will look through all your emails, all your calendars, files, events that you have related to Outlook. It's not going to look for all the items on your iPhone, like your pictures or your other, maybe you have a cloud box or something. But if your cloud box is OneDrive, which is part of Microsoft, then it will look for that too. But it's based on you downloading that specific app to do the additional searches. So we're going to go ahead and next here. Now you're prompted with email notifications. Outlook uses notifications as a way to make sure that you're always up to date. Disabling them may delay the delivery. So if you select no thanks, it will only work if you select the Outlook app each and every time. You have to open it to check it. Now you can select turn on, and it'll notify you each and every time, even if your phone is locked. So let's show the next screen. Is here it shows you, would you like to send your notifications? So include alerts, sounds, icon, badges. These can be configured in settings, and that is true. So it basically will pop up, or it'll scroll at the top, or so forth. It'll find a way to notify you. Even though if you have it on silent mode, through the switch on the left side, the phone will vibrate. And then you select allow. So that is how to set up Outlook on your iPhone if you have a license and you are approved provisioning. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them down below. Also, subscribing to my channel is greatly appreciated. You can select the notification bell on the right hand side so you can get up-to-date information in how to configure your email. If you have any other questions in regards of iOS products, software applications, deployment, feel free to put in your comment below. Send me a message that you would like to inquire about that future video, and I'll be glad to create one. All right, well, thank you. Have a great day.